Jamaica's lost one of the greatest voices to ever bless the earth, the legend Mr. Jimmy Cliff. The man we sing with struggle, with triumph, with pain and with hope. When Jimmy sing the harder they come, every Jamaican with hardship in them chest feel strength rise up. That the song they teach, we say no system, no oppression can't drown a Jamaican spirit. Many rivers to cross, touch every migrant, every mother, every father, every man will face trial. It was the cry of a nation and the comfort for millions worldwide. Then Jimmy turn around and give we hope with, you can get it if you really want it. From picnic to old people, everybody start believing in themselves. Jimmy teach you to push purses and never give up. Sitting in limbo, speak to all of us waiting for a breakthrough. Jimmy words sit down in our soul like a Sunday prayer. And when him sing, I can see clearly now. The whole world feel the clouds lift. Jimmy bring light in a dark, dark time. Jimmy Cliff wasn't just an artist, my people. He was a messenger, a truth teller, a bridge from little Jamaica to the entire world. Sleep peacefully, Jimmy. Jamaica love you. Jamaica thank you. And your music, your message, your magic will live on forever. What good legend.